Morning. Welcome to this edition of the 401 Talk Zone Radio Show. My name is Leon Jones. Today is Saturday, October 8th, 2016. Tune in to the 401 Talk Zone Radio Show every Saturday from 12 noon to 2 p.m. That's Eastern Daylight Time. Guest call-in number is 215-383-5785. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe to the 401 Talk Zone Radio Show right here on YouTube so I can continue to give you quality information for educational purposes from a professional and mature perspective. On this channel, we do not engage in controversy, debating, and or emotional issues, nor do we participate in unwarranted or unnecessary bickering and drama. We like to keep everything positive here. We know that there are other channels out there that you can engage in the debates and controversial issues. In fact, speaking of debate, I'm going to give you my overview on tomorrow's debate tomorrow when I post the video. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you have a business or a topic that you would like for me to discuss right here on the 401 Talk Zone Radio Show on YouTube and or Blog Talk Radio, please email me at lej6521@gmail.com. Also, if you missed the Blog Talk Radio Show, you can go back into the archives. They're all recorded for your listening pleasure. And I will post the shows on Twitter and Facebook. And I'll put the links to my Twitter and Facebook page down at the bottom of my YouTube videos. So, if you have a comment, please keep it pithy. No bloviating if you wish to opine. Now, on to today's topic. I'm going to break it up into two small segments. The first half of this video is a response to Big Body Matt Colay, and shout out to him. Like, share, and subscribe to his channel. Like, share, and subscribe to the Angry Man's channel as well. They're also giving you quality information as well. Now, Matt, you asked me what quality control inspection services is. I'm going to tell you right now. That's my company. And what we do at my company, we are a civil engineering firm. And what we do construction management services, construction inspection services, anything that deals with construction. Now, the purpose of quality is to make sure that when you inspect any product, that the product must have some type of specifications. Let's say you're manufacturing widgets from a production line. Well, you have inspectors that want to inspect each widget to make sure that it complies with the written specifications. That's called product liability. Products must go out and be safe. That's the whole object of what I do. I ensure that construction is compliant with standards and specifications. And I work out here for the Indiana Department of Transportation, the same thing I did for the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation. You have a book of specifications, and projects must be delivered based on those specifications. And that's anything you do. And this is what we do. We are a civil engineering firm that does construction management and construction inspection services. Now, what goes into the construction management services? Scheduling, estimating, of course, the inspection services. We do urban planning. We review environmental permits for construction projects. And some of our customers are federal and state agencies. We are also certified as a DBE, which is a disadvantaged business enterprise, a minority business enterprise, and by the state of Indiana, IVBE, which stands for Indiana Veterans Business Enterprise. That's what we do. We also do infrastructure engineering inspections, and that is inspecting existing infrastructure to see if it needs repairing. And if we have a structure that fails, we do forensic engineering to find out why the structure failed. And so many other items that we do cost analysis, value engineering, because our job when it comes to any construction project is we want the project to be built on time, under budget. And we do every construction project from the pre-construction phase to the construction phase to the post-construction phase. We also utilize auditing. We want to make sure that when the contractor and the customer have closed out the project, and even during the project, when we send out an estimate to pay the contractor, we want to make sure that the pay quantities are agreed to by the contractor and the customer. That will alleviate claims, change orders, and we want to make sure that we have the proper plans as well. This is all part of what we do at Quality Control Inspection Services. Again, we are a civil engineering firm located in Valparaiso, Indiana, for you individuals out there in Northwest Indiana who need inspection services. Also, under Quality Control Inspection Services, I also sell travel. It's Quality World Travel, which is a subsidiary of Quality Control Inspection Services. So, Brother Matt, there is your answer to what I do right here at Quality Control Inspection Services. Also, well, let me also give you an extension too. We can do other types of inspections as well. Utility inspections. We can do manufacturing inspections. It has to be something that the client wants us to do. So now you have it, my brother. That is Quality Control Inspection Services, and we are minority owned. Now, the second topic. Today, we are going to be talking about on Blog Talk Radio money. And when we talk about money, we're talking about the value of the dollar. Do we have more disposable income today than we did 40 years ago? Because if you look at the prices of cost and goods, they keep rising. I know gas is rising. Went out to get gas this morning. In some areas in Northwest Indiana, and it's October, gas should be going down, particularly after Labor Day. We're running $2.35, $2.39. And I know all the gas prices. I look at them. I go to Speedway out here. Also, there's Family Express. There's a lot of speculation going on with gas prices. You have speculators who actually make money for getting the prices increased. It's funny how the barrel of oil is not a $35, $40 a barrel, or even higher. If it's usually $79 a barrel, then you're up around the $3 or $4 range of gas. I don't believe gas is that high, but still, we're running at $2.39, and that's why we want to get into the situation with money. Because do you believe that you're paying more for cost items or goods today than you did before. Does the value of $1 today mean anything? Well, you'll get that information right here on the 401 Talk Zone radio show on Blog Talk Radio. Also, let me remind you again, if you miss my Blog Talk Radio show, the live version, I will post the show on Facebook. At the bottom of my videos, you'll have my business Facebook and Twitter page and the 401 Talk Zone Facebook and Twitter page. So go into the 401 Talk Zone radio show, click on those links. I'll make sure I will post the radio show up there. Or you can go onto the Blog Talk Radio site under 401 Talk Zone radio show and find the show so you can listen to it in its entirety and the past shows. Because I'm giving you good information here. So that's the information. Matt, there's your answer. See you all on the 401 Talk Zone radio show in a few hours. That's my commentary for this edition of the 401 Talk Zone radio show. My name is Leon Jones. Please be respectful to one another as well as gentle, and have a wonderful and blessed day.